So check this out. Me and Ty, we're out here. He's wearing his awesome ramen noodle.
Yo, don't eat my kind unless I welcome.
Check this out. We're just sitting out here.
I'll start a YouTube video. Hold up.
You know, I was just sitting there. Tornado warning in my city.
Tornado.
You know what I'm referencing, right? So I was sitting there, barbecue sauce on my titties. Well, for Oklahoma, so I was sitting there, tornado warning in my city.
Already, this is the second one in the same week.
Nope, just a span of days.
Hasn't really been that many days. I was asleep for like 3 days in a row.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It's almost been 3 days.
3 days.
Almost 3 days. Now we've had a tornado warning. Amazing.
This one's gonna hit my house apparently, so I can't.
No, it's going to Piedmont.
No, it's hitting our house.
There's one. Oh shit.
There's two, and there's also one that's probably.
I know there's one.
There's a funnel already over there starting. We saw on the way over here on the tree line.
It wasn't a funnel. It was a tag.
It was coming down.
I know it was a tag.
At this way.
Yeah, I know.
Coming down.
It's
I'm pretty sure.
That's what a tag looks like. I've been reading meteorology books since I was like 5.
Okay, Mr. Smart Guy. I'm gonna try and get to at least a minute before I stop.
I'm getting to 10 minutes because I want that revenue.
Are you even monetized?
In here? I'm actually.
I'm not monetized yet. They won't accept. They think I'm a robot still.
How many total views do you have?
How many total views? I have to hear this house. I don't even think it's 100 to be honest, man.
Not even 100 on your total channel?
Dude, I think
Ooh!
I have 15 subscribers.
I got 10,000 total views. Get wrecked.
Okay, yeah, but I don't upload on a daily basis.
I don't upload either on a daily basis. One time I took like a 1.5 month break and I still gained some views.
It's been a year since I've uploaded something.
No, it wasn't. Because down at the
Okay, well,
hotel.
Whenever we went to the hotel.
So March. Expensive this March. But yeah, just a simple little tornado warning, you know, nothing too big. Hold on, was that a daycare bus I just saw? Was that a daycare bus / van? Or no, it was a church. I'm just gonna sit out here till it stops sounding them sirens.
Hey, I'm going out of there.
So sirens just stopped sounding here and they just now stopped sounding. Let's go see what's happening in TV land.
TV land. There's a tornado! Good luck, everybody.
It's gonna rain. Oh, hey, would you looky there? The alarm.
That doesn't look like a tag to me. Brandon, that doesn't look like a tag
But
to
where
me.
is it?
Where's that at?
Piedmont.
Let's go.
No, you can't see it from here.
Trust me, let's just go outside and get on the trampoline. I have an idea.
Okay, yeah, Brian, stop being a wimp. Don't be a wimp.
Yeah, you can see it. Go out and look.
What?
Oh no, never mind. We can see it. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, we should definitely see.
What?
Get up.
Wait for the tornado just to catch the trampoline
Go.
while we're on it. Dun.
But we will be stuck up.
Yeah, see, look.
No, I've been on better rides. No, that's the wrong area, dude. You're supposed to look out that way.
Look out that way. There's a tornado that way.
That ain't nothing,
When we
dude.
call in, that's where we saw the tag at.
Dude, that's the backside. That's the inflow area.
Uh-oh.
It's nothing big. It's nothing big.
Well, let's do an
All right, I gotta go.